Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a very important topic, what every Cameroonian should know before buying or importing a Starlink internet kit, especially now that the affordable Starlink Mini has been released and is causing quite a buzz. Now, Starlink has become a game changer for many parts of the world, especially in areas where traditional mobile networks or fiber are unreliable. But here's the thing. If you're in Cameroon, there are some hidden costs, restrictions, and challenges you need to understand before jumping in. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 key things you must know before getting Starlink in Cameroon. Trust me, this could save you from making a costly mistake. Number 1. Starlink is not officially licensed in Cameroon. That's right. Even though Starlink is available in many countries, it's not yet approved to operate here. This means you can't just order a kit and activate it using a Cameroonian address. But you know how we say here, impossible n'est pas Camerounais. Through alternative setups and technical workarounds, many people are already using Starlink in Cameroon. But here's the catch. You'll probably need to pay a Starlink technician or expert to activate and configure it for you. If you try to do it yourself without the right knowledge, you could end up getting your device restricted or blacklisted. So when budgeting for Starlink, always factor in that setup or activation fee. Number 2. The subscription fees are not cheap. Unlike in licensed countries where Starlink users can pay for a cheaper residential plan, in Cameroon we have to rely on roam plans. As of August 2025, the Starlink Roam Unlimited plan costs about 58,000 francs CFA per month. That's a huge jump from the 21,000 francs CFA it cost just last year. Now that's not small money. But here's why some people still go for it. You get super fast speeds suitable for streaming, gaming, and remote work. You enjoy unlimited data on the Roam Unlimited plan. And you can connect up to 150 devices on a single kit. So yes, it's expensive, but for businesses, schools, or families that need reliable internet, many feel it's worth the price. Number 3. The 2-month roaming limit. This is something that surprises many people. Since Cameroon is not an authorized country, Starlink enforces a 2-month roaming limit. After 60 days, your service may be restricted. Why does this happen? Starlink uses this policy to prevent people from permanently staying on roaming instead of registering locally, and also to stop the use of Starlink in countries where it's not yet licensed. Now, if this happens to you, don't panic. There are workarounds. Local Starlink experts can help you bypass the restriction, but usually for a fee. Just remember, this is not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing technical cost you'll need to account for. Number 4, the out-of-region fee. In 2024, Starlink introduced something called the out-of-region fee. This means if you buy a kit from one country, let's say Nigeria, but then try to activate it with an address in Europe or America, you'll be charged an extra fee on top of your normal subscription. The safest way is to activate your kit using an address within Africa. But again, this can be tricky to do correctly without guidance. That's why many Cameroonians prefer letting an expert handle the setup so they don't get unexpected bills or failed activations. Number 5. Should you buy the Starlink Mini or the standard kit? This is the big question most people ask. And my advice is simple. Go for the Starlink Mini. Why? Because it's cheaper, it's portable, and it's more practical for our conditions here.
That's the Starlink Mini, guys. It's so small. Yeah, I think in comparison, let me just place an A4 paper. This is an A4 paper size, and I just want you guys to see it. Compared to my head, it's almost the size of an A4 paper. And as you can see, if I place it on top of it, it's basically almost the size of an A4 paper, just slightly bigger. So this is a very small device, a very small device.
The Mini is lightweight, can fit into a backpack, and most importantly, it can even be powered with a power bank using the right adapter. That means you can use it for up to 8 hours without electricity. Perfect for rural areas or off-grid locations. For mobile entrepreneurs, village homes, and field workers, the Mini is a true game changer. Final thoughts. So let's recap the 5 things you must know before buying Starlink in Cameroon. It's not licensed here, so you'll need expert activation. Subscription fees are high, about 58,000 francs per month for unlimited. The 2-month roaming limit applies. Expect to pay for bypass solutions. Out-of-region fees may apply depending on where you activate. The Starlink Mini is the smarter choice. It's cheaper, portable, and off-grid friendly. At the end of the day, Starlink offers incredible opportunities for Cameroon. It can connect rural areas, empower businesses, and give families reliable high-speed internet. But it's important to go in with your eyes open about the real costs and limitations.
The hardware might seem expensive, but now look into the future, you'll have such a good investment.
Need help? If you're in Cameroon and you're struggling with activation, roaming restrictions, or setup issues, I offer complete Starlink support, from purchase to activation to long-term maintenance. So feel free to reach out if you need assistance. That's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you know someone who's planning to buy Starlink in Cameroon, make sure you share this video with them so they don't make costly mistakes.
So yeah, this is Starlink. This is a satellite-based internet service provider by Elon Musk. This is something that you should go ahead and get it right now as we speak.
And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be dropping more videos on Starlink tips, internet hacks, and the latest updates you need to know. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay connected, stay informed.